Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This is a simple Venn diagram question from CMET paper 2020. I have chosen this question because I got feedback from some of the students that they face problem in visualizing Venn diagram related problems. So here I have come up with a simple question to explain the concept. Okay. In a certain town, 40% of the people have brown hair, 30% of people have brown eyes, and 12% have both brown hair and brown eyes. So how many people in the town have neither brown hair nor brown eyes? Okay. So let's try to understand what is being said in this question. Let's say in a town there are certain people. Okay. So let's say this is a guy, another guy, 3, 4, 5. Let's say we have 5 people in the town, okay, and 40% of people have brown hair. So let's not go to numbers, let's just try to see the status, okay. Some people are having brown hair, so let's say I'll say this guy is having brown hair, this guy is having brown hair, and this guy is having brown hair, okay. I have red marker, but let's say this is brown, okay. So some people are having brown hair in the town, and 30% of the people have brown eyes. Okay, so 30% people has brown eyes, so anyone can have brown eyes. Okay, so let's say I'll say this guy is also having brown eyes and this guy is also having brown eyes, because 30% people are having brown eyes. Let's say these people are having brown eyes and these people are having brown hair, and 12% have both brown hair and brown eyes. Okay, so for our purpose, let's say these people are having brown hair, these people are having brown eyes, okay, and these people are having nothing, I mean no brown hair or no brown eyes. So how many people in the town have neither brown hair nor brown eyes? So we need to find out the number of such people. So if we translate this into Venn diagram, this is how we'll have it. Let's say this is the number of people having brown hair, okay, and here we have people having brown eyes, okay. So 40% people are having brown hair, okay. So these people here, mind that there is an overlap here. So 40% people are having brown hair and 30% are having brown eyes. So these 30% people, let's say, are having brown eyes, okay. So there are some people who are coming to both the categories, okay, and this percentage is 12. So 12% people, they have both brown hair and brown eyes. Now let's see here. So this guy is having both, right? So 12% people are having both. 40% are having only brown hair. This is 40%, and 30% are having brown eyes. So this is 30%. These two are having brown eyes, okay, and 20% is having both. So because this guy belongs to both the categories, right? So here these 12% people, they belong to both the category. So we need to minus them from both these categories. Then only we'll get those people who are having exactly brown hair and those people who are having only brown eyes. So it means from 40%, out of 40%, 12 people are having both. So it means that 28% people are having only brown hair, okay. And out of 30% people, those who are having brown eyes as well as brown hair, 12% is common. So that means 18% people are having only brown eyes, they don't have brown hair, okay. So if we add these three, then we get 58%. That means 58% of people are having at least one of these or both, okay. So out of 100% people, if 58% are having at least one of these, then remaining 42% will not have anything, right? So this category, this is 42%. So 42 is the answer for this question, okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.